Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the price action trend indicator for MT4. This indicator analyzes raw price movements to highlight the current trend direction directly on your charts. In this video, you will see what it focuses on, how it appears, and which core options you can work with. The price action trend indicator MT4 is a trend following tool that bases its readings on price action rather than stacking multiple lagging indicators. It is designed to help you see whether the market is trending up or down so you can read direction more clearly directly from the charts. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and then alright, so now we have it installed, as you can see, and it looks pretty easy to interpret. On the chart, the price action trend indicator shows its trend view directly on the price window using arrows. Green arrows for potential bullish trends and red arrows for potential bearish trends. As you can see on the charts, we have a red arrow here which signifies the potential bearish trend, a green arrow over here, and another red over here before this downside. Alright, the chart display shifts according to the underlying price logic, so you can visually distinguish bullish and bearish trend conditions. As for the settings, there aren't any major settings actually, no major inputs. You can add it like any standard custom indicator in MT4 and can then adjust its visual style to fit your chart templates. As for who is for and possible limitations, the price action trend indicator is intended for traders who want a clean price action driven view of trend direction on MT4. It is a visual analysis tool only, does not execute trades, and its readings can be less reliable in sideways or highly volatile markets. You can download the price action trend indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek is aimed at helping you understand how the indicator simplifies reading trend direction from price action. If you like price action focused tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.